Just Ross Whitley with your Storm Team 13 forecast.
Well, we had one shower work across downtown. Now we've got a thunderstorm shower working across the beach. Most of this action is offshore, but you can see the rain shaft here, and you see the outflow boundary. That's what we refer to as the whale's mouth. What's happening here is rain is falling down. The cooler air is rushing out and lifting the clouds, condensing it very, very quickly. That rolling motion, you can see it in the cloud cover itself, and that is very turbulent air. Gives us that view that looks kind of like the opening of a whale's mouth. And then on the back side of that, that is the rain shaft, the heavier rain falling down. If you look down at the umbrellas there, you can even see the raindrops falling on the individuals that decided to sit outside before the shower hit. As we check out our 24-hour highs and lows, not much of the area hasn't seen at least a raindrop today. So seeing those scattered showers and storms a little more numerous possibly than even what was forecasted today, about a 40 to 60% chance at it. So that's what we should have seen with coverage. We climbed up to 92 in Marianna, 90 in Panama City, and 88 in Apalachicola. Still got to 91 in Tallahassee. We're going to see another day of some high rain chances. Today it was all about this outflow boundary, and you can see that pressing off to the south. Most of the modeling said that it was not going to make it to the coast, but here we are, and you can see all of those showers and storms working to the coast and then working offshore as well. So that's the majority of the action that is out there now. Our inland areas really have seen things fade. You still have some cloud cover around, but for the most part, it's the coastal areas seeing the showers and storms right now. Pollen count back into the moderate category, and our air quality on the good side. UV index back up to the extreme category at 11.4, meaning you can burn in about 10 to 15 minutes. We should see that sunshine. You will note our futurecast here is kind of a one-off run. We haven't seen much of the modeling saying this, but as we get into the mid-morning hours tomorrow, see the sea breeze start to populate, and maybe that leftover boundary hanging out over the Gulf kind of working back on shore, and with that we could see quite a bit of widespread activity. I only have a 50% chance of rain in your forecast for the day tomorrow because this is the only model run I've seen actually giving that type of solution. So if you wake up tomorrow and Amelia is saying there's a 70% chance of rain today, that is the reason why, because that means the modeling has continued to message more rain for the day on Friday. However, on Saturday, note the heat by noon could be flirting with about 94 to 95. Could see widespread 95 to 96 as we go through the weekend, and our rain chances will be less, and that's all thanks to the heat that's building in. High pressure ridge taking control, and we're going to lose the influence of this washed out frontal boundary. That means plenty of heat, plenty of humidity, and lots of high temperatures out there as well. What does that mean for the tropics? Well, not much going on in the tropics. We had Hurricane Eric make landfall in Mexico today as a Category 4. The rest of the Atlantic is unfavorable thanks to lots of Saharan dust and lots of wind shear. For us, scattered showers and storms still in the forecast, about a 40 to 60% chance of rain again tomorrow, and then lessening going into next week. Sunday through next Wednesday, very hot.
And how about tonight?
Tonight, we should see a lot of this activity fade over the next couple of hours.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Ross.